In the early morning, just as the sun is beginning to rise, researchers at the Albany Pine Bush Preserve stretch fine nylon nets, called mist nets, between upright aluminum poles. These 2.6 meter tall, 12 meter long mist nets must hang freely and not touch the ground or any plants. As long as the air is calm, these mist nets are difficult for birds to see. The researchers wait for 1 hour. With luck, some birds will fly into the net, drop into one of its billows, and become trapped, just like this. It takes skill and training to untangle delicate birds from mist nets. Once the birds have been extracted, they are placed in cloth bags for safe transport to the banding station.
Net 4.
The banding station is where science staff process birds before releasing them. The first step is to record which net the bird was collected at and identify the bird to species.
See the orange tail feathers in contrast to the body? That's how you know a hermit thrush amongst all the other thrushes. This is the only one with the orange in its contrast. And the thrush takes 1B.
Each bird is given an aluminum band with a unique number so it can be identified in the future.
Band size is 1B.
Okay.
Give me the number in a sec. So see, it's going to spin and slide real easy. It doesn't catch the leg at all. It's just like
With the band secured, the science staff will take body measurements before releasing the birds.
just the length of the wing from the wrist, which I put against the stop of the ruler, down to the longest primary, which I believe is 94. Yeah, 94. That one, that little one, and this one are adult.
Oh, okay.
So a limit is I do J in
So
primary
different than
coverts,
the J.
J in rets, and B in primary coverts. And let's see what this can help us. So beak down, we just slide the bird into the cone, keeping its wings folded, and that way it's in there nice and secure and gently. Keeps the bird from thrashing about and hurting itself. So the weight is 28.2 grams. 28.2 grams. Then we'll take the bird outside to release. Yeah. I already have a picture of a...
Okay.
Few body feathers away, and off he goes.